Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, fish curry with coconut. The fish that I'm using today is like a carp, type of a carp known as rohu, or it's got so many names actually, rohu, so many names, but you can use any fish you want. We've got the head in there, the tail in there, everything. We've got some incredible spices with a coconut milk base. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get started. So look, whole fish there, including the head, which has been cut down the middle. So we've got two pieces. Beautiful. Got some turmeric here, like a tablespoon and a tablespoon of chili powder. I'm using the Kashmiri chili powder. And here I've got some sunflower oil. We're going to get started by mixing that all together and then frying the fish off. So I've got a mixing bowl. We're going to get our turmeric in. We're going to get our chili powder in. We're going to get that oil in. The oil just sort of helps it sort of come together and stick together. Sexy gloves, in we go. We're just going to mix it around and then we're going to get to the cooker. Okay, so we're at the cooker now. I've got a little bit more oil in there. Very simply, we're just going to grab our fish and we're going to fry this off. Probably about 4 minutes on each side. I mean, these are nice chunky pieces that we've got here. Yeah, 4 minutes aside, then out, set aside, and then we can move on to make this beautiful masala. I'm going to do this in 2 batches. Okay then, look, so our fish is done. Beautiful. Set aside. Let's take a look at these other ingredients. So we've got coconut milk, onion, fresh curry leaves, fresh cilantro or coriander, fresh chili, the big 4, so that's coriander, chili powder, cumin and turmeric, garlic ginger paste, and here I've got some dried whole chilies, cumin seeds and black mustard seeds. Back to the cooker. Let's get moving. This is going to be delicious. So I'm back at the cooker, a different pan this time. Again, I've got some oil in there, heating up. And we're just going to throw around our cumin seeds, our black mustard seeds, and the dried chili for a few seconds. Now, don't skip this stage ever. What this is doing is infusing that oil. Is going to give it a fantastic flavour. To that, we're going to go with the fresh curry leaves. Sometimes can be very loud. Hold tight. That's not too bad. Then we're going to go in with our onion. We're on an above medium heat. I'll see you back here in about 3 to 4 minutes. I mean, this smell that's coming out of this pot right now is incredible. Those curry leaves in with the onions and spices, incredible stuff. Right, we're now going to add in garlic ginger paste. I'm also going to add some salt. We're going to add our fresh chili. The amount is completely up to you. We're now going to add our powders. Let's just take one more look. So equal amounts of chili powder. I'm using the Kashmiri chili powder, coriander, cumin and turmeric. Just a little stir in. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water. And that will stop our spices burning. And just 2 more minutes. Let that go and keep it moving. Ultra aromatic. Incredible, incredible stuff. Let's grab our coconut milk. In that goes. Lowering the heat a little bit. We're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes now. And then we're going to be adding the fish. Delicious stuff. Okay, and that's looking fantastic. What we're going to do now is get our fish in there. All in, the head goes in, beautiful chunky steaks, the tail. Then what we're going to do is we're going to pop a lid on this. Lower the heat to a simmer and let it go for about 7 minutes or so. We can move it every now and then. You don't want to move it too much because you'll break the fish. So lid on, low heat, see you then. Okay, off goes the heat. We're done. Bit of steam out there. That looks fabulous. Let's get some fresh coriander or cilantro in there. If you wanted a little pinch or two of garam masala powder. But that's a beauty. That really is nice. Check that for salt, it's going to be fine for me. Let's get that on a plate. Okay, and there you go, steaming hot, absolutely wonderful. Get your rice on. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Give us a thumbs up, that helps us out a lot. Do leave a message, we'd like to hear from you. Sort out all the social media and stuff like that. We have a look at all that. I keep being told to say that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.